Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to do W-2 for employees. First, you need to understand that Form W-2 is crucial for reporting an employee's annual wages and the taxes withheld from their pay. It's a vital document for both the employee's tax filing and for the Internal Revenue Service. Begin by gathering all necessary employee details, such as their complete legal name, current address, and their 9-digit Social Security number. Then, compile all wage and tax information for the entire calendar year. Next, accurately calculate the employee's gross wages, which encompass all forms of compensation like salaries, bonuses, and commissions paid throughout the year. Then, determine the federal income tax withheld, guided by the employee's Form W-4. Remember to calculate Social Security tax at 6.2% on wages up to the annual limit, and Medicare tax at 1.45% on all wages, with an additional 0.9% for high earners. Now it's time to complete Form W-2. Carefully fill in all the required boxes using the data you've compiled. Double-check that your employer identification number, the employee's Social Security number, and their full name and address are entered correctly. Pay close attention to boxes 1 through 6, ensuring that all wage and tax amounts, including federal, state, and local withholdings, precisely match your payroll records. Accuracy is paramount to avoid issues. Finally, you must distribute the W-2 forms. Provide copies B, C, and 2 to each employee by January 31st of the following year. Copy B is for federal tax returns, Copy C for employee records, and Copy 2 for state or local tax returns. Simultaneously, file copy of all W-2 forms with the Social Security Administration by January 31st. Remember to retain Copy D for your business records for a minimum of 4 years.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.